Assalamualaikum, dear parents. Today we are going to learn about correct formation of sounds. हमें साउंड्स लिखने के लिए कुछ लाइंस की हेल्प की ज़रूरत होती है, जैसे कि स्ट्रेट लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, कर्व। कर्व हम दोनों तरह से बना सकते हैं। स्लैंट लाइन भी हम दोनों तरह से बना सकते हैं। एंड द लास्ट वन इज वेव। ठीक है, ओके। सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे ए का साउंड ए। मेक अ कर्व, गो अप, कम डाउन, इट विल मेक ए, इट विल मेक ए apple. Then put the pencil on the red line. Make a straight line, go up and make a curve. It will make ball. Again, make a curve. It will make cap. Make a curve, go up and up, come down and down, little tail up. It will make dog, doll. Make a slant line and curve. It will make elephant. Make a little curve and straight line and cross the line. It will make fish. What comes after g? Sorry. What comes after g? How do we write g? Make a kha, go up, come down and down, turn a little. It will make g, grass, goat. Make a straight line, go up and jump and turn a little. It will make horse. Make a straight line, turn a little and dot up. It will make ice cream. Make a straight line, turn a little and dot up. It will make jug. Make a straight line, kick up and kick down, little tail up. It will make kangaroo. Make a straight line, little tail up. It will make lemon. Make a straight line, go up, jump and go up, again jump and tail up. It will make mango. Make a straight line, jump and tail up. It will make nose. Make a circle. It will make make a small circle. Make a straight line, go up and up, make a curve. It will make parrot. Make a curve, go up, come down and down, turn a little. It will make queen. Make a straight line, go up and wave. It will make rabbit. Make a curve and again curve. It will make snake. Make a straight line, turn a little and cross the line. It will make turtle, turtle. U is like a cup. Go down, turn a little, go up. Okay. Start. Go down, turn a little, go up, come down, turn a little. It will make a umbrella. Make a slant line and again slant line. It will make van, van. Slant line up, slant line down, slant line up. It will make watch, watch. And make a little cross. It will make X-ray. Make a little straight line, turn a little, go up, come down and down, turn a little. It will make yacht, yacht. And the last one is make a sleeping line, slant line and again sleeping line. It will make zebra. Make a sleeping line, slant line and sleeping line. It will make zebra. So these are sounds, and we have learned today about the correct formation of sounds.